Arun Ansal. I am staying in this school, and I am studying in the +2 level in the same college, and I am staying in this school from last 2 years. I want to be a good administrator and photographer too. And actually, I am inspiring with Sushil sir. He is also one of the multi-talent person, good administrator, good singer, good composer, actor, and good photographer too. And this is all credit goes to him. And I have learned many more things from him and from the school too. And I am really grateful to you, Uttam sir also. And finally, I want to say that I am grateful to you, Patrick. Because I have learned many more things from you, and you have teach us so many things, and I have seen so many new things from you, and I have learned something extra else, that how our objectives can be our goal, and you have teach us that you have teach us to mix our objective into the goals. And thank you, especially thank you to you.